Dear scholars, let's begin learning the second part of the story, The Necklace. In the first part, we came to know that due to the wish or desire of unsatisfied Mathilde, she herself and her husband, both of them, stuck into a disaster or a tragedy. What they did or what how they returned that necklace, that is given in the next part of the story, and that we have to learn through this. So let us see few of the paragraphs of the lesson The Necklace, second part. So here what is given: Monsieur and Madame Loisel started searching the necklace. They looked into the folds of garments of her cloak, in the pocket, and everywhere. But what they got? They got nothing. Later, they had a discussion whether Mathilde could have lost it in the hall, at the ministry, in the street, or in the cab. Afterward, Monsieur Loisel walked the whole route and tried to find it. He returned back about 7 o'clock, and what he found, that is nothing. He just came back empty hands. Further, what efforts, what other efforts he took, that is given. So, what he did, he went to the police, he went to the newspaper, he went to the cab companies, everywhere he tried to everywhere he tried so that he could get the necklace back again. So whatever he was doing to see that and thinking of the necklace, Mathilde was in despair, that is she was disappointed. What is next? When he when he did everything and returned home, so what happened? There was nothing in his hands, and he too was looking tired of doing all that work. So at last, what they did, Monsieur Loisel gave suggestion to Mathilde to write a note to her friend that she had broken the clip of the necklace and she was going to have it mended or repaired. So at the end of the week, what they did, that is that we have to see what they did. They decided to replace the jewel or the necklace, recalling their memories about the necklace. So they went to different jewelers and started searching for same type of necklace, and both of them were sick with grief and anguish. So grief is the sorrow and anguish means distress. So both of them were suffering in the sorrow and distress of the loss of that necklace, and later on they were thinking to purchase and give it back it was not possible for them to find it. So they, they spent much of time in this work also, but still they didn't get. So it is all about this video. Remaining part of the story we will see in the next.